In the last video, I have shown you how to search the web for running club websites and how to print that on the console. In this video, firstly, we have expanded the method. Now there are 3 more attributes. So we have safesearch equals strict, which filters out explicit content from the search results to ensure the content is safe. Then we have timelimit equals 365 days. That limits the content to the one that's published within the last year. Then we have region. In this case, we did not specify a specific local region, but we're searching worldwide. So the data we get is not specific to a country. So next, when the data is printed to the console, like right now, we cannot really do anything with it except looking at it. So now, instead of printing the results, we're going to save them in a CSV file. This is to, for instance, allow people to send the data to someone else so the person can keep working with it, or to continue working on the data ourselves. So the pandas library that we had imported previously in the last video becomes useful now and helps us to put the data that we have printed on the console right now into a CSV file. So let's just do that. Results underscore df with df for data frame pd dot data frame results underscore df to CSV. And let's name the file runclub.csv, comma, and also let's set index to false. Index equals false makes sure that we don't have an extra column that gives us information about the row numbers in our data set. You can just try and put it to true and you'll see the difference. So now we're going to run the file again. And you can see on the left we have the run underscore club CSV file, which we can click and we can see here. You can also reveal it in Finder. And most people would probably open it with Excel. I don't have Excel, so I'm going to open numbers. And you can see the data in a tabular format now here, which is very suitable for further analysis. So you might assume the data is ready to use, but if you examine it more closely, you'll notice that not all the websites, like not all these links here, are necessarily pointing to running club websites. So the current code takes your search query, which is running club, as we can see here, and includes any website that matches it. This could be a newspaper article, it could be a blog post, or even an online store that just happens to have the word running club on it. However, in this example, our goal is to identify official running club websites since we're looking to join a running club. And in the next video, I'll demonstrate how we can refine our dataset using the OpenAI API to filter out only the relevant websites that truly match our criteria. So see you there. Bye.